Welcome back to the Ketch Shop. It's Tuesday. That means one thing, another segment of Catch and Cook. We have the Weber Grills and the Weber Slate Griddle all prepared to get these guys fed before their breakfast shift. We don't know what's on the menu for lunch or dinner. We might have to catch it at the supermarket, but that's okay. They got a lot of good stuff swimming around there. Let's go check it out today.
Squint from Ketch. Decided to give the guys in the shop a good day of food. So we're gonna start off with some breakfast burritos here. Gonna use this new Weber Slate that we got. See how this thing goes.
Boy, is it good to be doing this before the heat of the day. It's supposed to be 95 today. I think those eggs will cook on the concrete. Yo, what do you guys like in your breakfast burrito? I got peppers, I got onions, I got all types of stuff, so come and get it. Yo, you guys wrap it up. We got one burrito left. Whose is it?
Yeah, that's a wrap on a phenomenal catch and cook session that we had. We couldn't control the weather with 95 degrees, but what we did control was the Weber Grill and the Weber Slate, to the tune of breakfast burritos, chunky al pastor with drippy pineapple, and even some hibachi style fried rice with chicken. We're totally happy with that outcome. We even had a few cold sodas. The crew got fed. Everyone's happy, so it's back to work tomorrow. We'll check in next Tuesday with another Catch and Cook.